fluffy slime. So what you're going to be needing is some glue, food coloring, I'm using blue, and glitter is optional, a container, a bowl, a mixing spoon, some measuring spoons, foaming hand soap. This is a kind of soap, and some activator. My activator is made with borax and hot water. So you're going to start off with pouring your glue in. Just going to pour a little bit. This is my special glue. And the glue does double, so you don't want to pour too much. Now I'm going to add foaming hand soap. Just probably 3 squirts. And this one makes it stretchy. You don't want to add too much. Now I'm going to add a little bit of my food coloring. And mix it up. Okay, it's a really strong glue. Kind of loud. And this fluffy slime, you don't really need shaving cream. I tested this recipe, and it's the kind of fluffy slime that I like. Now we're going to be adding some glitter. Hands are a little bit messy. I'm adding blue because it matches my thing. That's probably enough. We might add some at the end. Okay guys, so you can see it's really fluffy and the slime has doubled. So we're going to add the activator now. I have it right here. And okay, I'm gonna just use a teaspoon. A little bit hard to pour. Already turning slimy. Okay. Actually, I might just add it, by feel. Okay. So you just want to add it little by little. And once it's probably not sticking to the bowl, you should play with it with your hands. This fluffy slime is turning out pretty fluffy. Okay, so it stops sticking to the bowl mostly, you can see. So we're gonna play with it with our hands now. And don't worry if it's still really sticky, it will come together. Coming off my hands. The slime is so cool and it's actually really fluffy. So I think I did a pretty good job with this recipe without shaving cream. Pretty good. And it's still stretchy. Just getting it all off my hands so I can add some more activator. Okay. So this activator, because it's borax, it does activate faster. That's why I just love using borax. Coming off my hands pretty good. Okay, so almost done now. I'm gonna add the last piece of activator. Okay. So it's almost fully activated. You can see it's come off my hands. Pretty nice. Just getting all the activator off the table. Okay, you guys. So my slime is fully activated. It's pretty nice, actually. So yeah, it's come off my hands and our finished slime. It is super stretchy. It's also super duper fluffy. Like, look at that. It slides right through your hands. And it can also do my favorite trick. So, yeah. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell, turn on notifications. If you do, you'll be part of my You Squad HL. Thank you for watching, and bye.